the bare paws, the old man on his back. Prickly pears blooming in the short and late grass. There's a bunch of empty beer cans and an old loose mineral sack. Give you some idea of where you're at. Buckbrush and sage, far as you can see. It's the south slopes of the hills and turns to pines and poplar trees. Cattle all a-grazing up and down the big coulee under Charlie Russell skies like a blue and purple sea. Cypress hills and the big country below where life is still and a man can be alone. And you can duck underneath all your trials and troubles for a time like a pronghorn underneath the bottom wire. Cypress hills and the big country below where life is still and a man can be alone. You can duck underneath all your trials and troubles for a time like a pronghorn underneath the bottom wire. You can sweat and cuss and wonder why they say our West has died. The folks around the Cypress Hills still drag calves to the fire.